So Scope Fire and Security have been live on Uptick now for about 8 months. How are you guys finding it?
Brilliant, to be fair. The support we get from you guys is absolutely first class. I know, not me personally, but our MD Scott is constantly on you guys for support and changes and clarification. And yeah, I can't fault the service we get from you at all. It's been brilliant.
That's fantastic. And so you are the sales manager for Scope. Are you winning more business since going live with Uptick? Is that helping you?
Yeah, I would say so, definitely. We obviously include that as part of our pitch, and I feel that really makes us stand out as our kind of USP at the moment. So I've just been in Kyle's ears in don't sign up anyone else in the northwest of England, because that's what makes us stand out at the minute. And he just name dropped a couple of companies earlier on. I was saying just keep away from them, please.
So in what way is Uptick helping you in your tenders?
We demonstrate the portal either, well, speaking about it, but also we demonstrate it online, like we've done with Ollie for Blackpool and Fylde College recently.
Yep.
They saw real value in it. And I like to talk about it as if I was the customer myself, and just the benefits of it are just endless. It's giving complete transparency 24/7. You can see who did what, when, what they've serviced, what they've not serviced, what they have identified as defects. It's just a complete, just complete transparency at all times.
Has this helped with customer retention as well because there's better transparency in the work?
As of yet, I don't think we've seen the benefit of that, but we will certainly see that long term, because it's certainly making our customers stickier, because I think once you've got it, you're not going to want to lose it. So I think when it comes up for contract renewals, that will be the thing that keeps these customers with Scope. Yeah, definitely.
Would you recommend Uptick to another fire and security business?
1,000,000%, as long as you're not in the northwest.
Okay.
Yeah.